simulators and the soil samples that we took from Dolygarn yesterday to see what impact rainfall has on the soil type and what holding capacity we got. There's a litre of water here which basically simulates a rain impact of an inch an hour, and it's just having a look to see what kind of runoff we could be expecting off these two systems. And you can see that the one that's got the grass, bursting clover and rape is having a much clearer front than the one that's just got the rape alone. We've got a bit of soil wash out of there, which is soil particles, phosphates and such like straight into the watercourses. Underneath we've had the water going down through, and if we re-measure these coming out the other end, then we'll probably find that a certain percentage of water has been retained within the soil. So it's kind of quickly demonstrating, even at this early stage of growth, the difference in terms of potential water runoff.